Alright, welcome to practice video number 1 for, I guess we're on week 4 now, but this is the second set. So, let's get started. Let's dig right in. Alright. Buzzing basics, here we go. Getting slimy. Yummy. We'll do one more. Holy crap. Alright. Oh, this is low. Alright, that'll be it for today. Alright, now I'm just gonna hold the F with the tuner. Okay. Wait. Nope. Balling out. Alright, I believe next on the list is band sheet number 2. I could be mistaken. 1 second. Yeah, I believe it's band sheet number 2, which we'll get to in just a minute. Content, syllabus. Oh my goodness. For yeah, band sheet number 2, okay, with a 60 beat per minute BPM. Metro 60. Ew, what was that? Oh my goodness. Okay, cool. Let's hope you can hear that. So I'm just gonna do 5 notes really quickly. What is that note? 2. G. Yeah. Okay, sick. Banshee number 2, here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Alright. Sounding a little sketchy. It's alright. Oh, this instrument is a lot heavier than it looks. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright. And now on number 5. 1, 2, 3. Alright, number 6. 1, 2, 3. I was not paying attention. All right, we'll do that again. Alright, now number 8. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Whew. There we go. Next is Mr. We'll finish with Mr. Paper, and then the next one will have to be the everything else. All right, let's get him out, Mr. Paper. All right. So it's not really a good place for me to put you. Un momento. Nope, that's not gonna work. Oh. But if I... There we go, okay. Sick. That's a lot of air. Alright. Try it. I'm just gonna breathe through it the first time and then continue onwards. So it is possible. You can stick Mr. Paper to the wall. Okay. Well, that's if I'm doing a really low note. So here's a high note, Mr. Paper. Well, let's slow it down a little bit. Nope, not enough. Champion! Yes! Alright. That excites me. Winner! Holy cow, that makes me so happy. Alright. I shall see you next time, Dr. Helmick. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.